Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are always here to help you. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could easily fix if your Android camera is not working out. So if you are facing issue in using your Android camera and you don't know how to fix that, then this video is for you. So first of all, I'll show you the reasons why your camera might not be working out. They might be because your phone is heat up. So first of all, what you have to do is to simply make sure to give some rest to your phone until it would be cool down. Once it will be cool down, your camera would be working properly. But if you are still encountering the issue, what you have to do is to simply restart your phone. So there's another video on my channel on which you can see how to restart your Android phone. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.